Hi, I'm Greg Forster, owner and managing director of Embrace Building Wraps. We offer a 360 comprehensive project management service for digitally printed graphics, encapsulating scaffolding, building facades, modular building, site welfare facilities and construction site perimeter hoardings. And as one of the UK's leading award-winning visual solutions providers, we've delivered many high-profile projects. For this recent project, let's look at Ikea on Oxford Circus. 7 months in the planning from conception through to delivery. It's 2,878 square metres of printed scaffold wraps on Kavalan sunlight weldable. That's about the equivalent of 44 double-decker buses across 3 elevations. We've got 5 frames carrying silhouette blind drawing designs and one behind me which is the printed wrap which replicates the iconic blue fractal bag with 3D handles. And I'm sure you'll agree the visual outcome is pretty stunning. This is the 9th and biggest project using Kavalan. We did a number of off and on-site print tests. We compared solid PVC, mesh PVC, but at the end of the day, Kavalan Sunlight Weldable won the day. It's a far lighter material, so the combined weight is about 1,100 kilograms. That's about the same weight as a mini car, versus 1,700 with solid PVC. So it's about 33% lighter, and that really helped with the engineer's calculations and installation here. Kavalan Sunlight Weldable really ticks all those boxes. It performs well under tension, the print's bang on, the tiles and dragon tails weld really nicely, and also it's very light. We were the first company in the UK to use Kavalan, and we carried our own tests to ensure the material was delivered the same visual appearance and also with the heat and vibration welding. We conducted pull tests to ensure that the material was robust, and also what is very key these days is fire rating. Now we know the substrate has a TS62 NPA, EN and DIN certification. We also sent the material away to a UCAS certificated facility in the UK, and that passed a BS 5A667 Type B test. Kavalan has the same look and feel and strength of traditional PVC banners, but with none of the eco-malignants. Tools like the Kavalan Eco Reduction Summary Report and the LCAs really do help us. Clients can use this information in their BREEAM sustainability assessments. And I suppose, like all businesses, wherever possible, we should all be minimising and offset any negative environmental impact when doing business.